Now we can celebrate 78 Independence Day, and each Independence there is a particular theme on which we work whole year. Where the people take the program, and the theme on this Independence Day is Viksit Bharat 2047. Viksit Bharat 2047 means developed India till 2047, developed India. 1947 we can get independence, and next 100 years 1947 to 2047 we can try and make our India developed country. We not now developed country. So this is a particular and very important thing for us. We all do the work on this theme. What we do? We all know that which things are good for our country and which things are bad our country. The bad things are corruption, pollution, superstition, health problem, education problem, women's problem, child's problem. So there are large number of lists. So we can try to reduce this bad thing for the problem and to grow the good things for the nation. Now someone asked that why we do this? Because till 2047 most of people not live at that day, 2047. Yes, we not live, but our childs their childs and 2047. So for them we do this, for them, for our nation we must do this. That is, we can increase the good things for our country. Share this thought, and if you like, subscribe, and happy Independence Day. Thanks. Share.